In today's video, I'll show you how to change your spells in Hogwarts Legacy. All you have to do is press the T key in your keyboard. Here you can able to see all your spells. If you want to change your spells, then just drag and drop these spells in the number you want to change. And after changing the spells, now I'll show you guys how to use them. Just press the T key and the panel will be closed. On right side you can able to see all the spells including the number. To use the spells you need to press the number keys. To use the second spell, press 2 in our keyboard. The second spell will be used. And to use the third spell, press the third key. Same thing for 4 and 1. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.